Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today we are going to go over my monthly Scentsy club. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, so my monthly Scentsy Club just came and I'm really excited. I love these bars. Some of them I've been waiting for because I didn't have any more, so I'm excited. So the first one I'll go through, oh my gosh, my dog is being so annoying right now. He's licking his paws. I don't know if you've ever heard that sound, but it's so gross. So gross. Anyway, I digress. All right, so the first one we're going to talk about is Pink Coconut, which I love. This was the scent of the month for February. It's beautiful. Was it February or was it March? My brain's not working. But it's so good. Pink Coconut. All right, so the next one we're going to go over is part of the Valentine's Day collection. And it's Starburst Sky. I actually have this going in my bathroom right now. It's so lovely. Oh, it's so good. So I got 2 of those as well. All right, the next one was part of our Easter collection last year, I believe. One of my favorites, and it's Blueberry Burst. I haven't started warming this yet. I have a nice big stash for myself. Oh my God, it's so good warmed. I was, because it's still cold, I'm not ready for these like super fruity scents in my living room. I'm still doing toasted marshmallow and stuff like that. Still doing bakery in my living room. The next one was from the Catching Z's collection. One of my favorites. I use this in my bedroom, and it is Shut Eye from Catching Z's. It's so pretty. It's such a relaxing, chill, like girly scent. It's one of my favorite bedroom scents. I absolutely love it. The next one is my bathroom scent. You guys know I love it. However, I've been using the Easter collection in my bathroom as well, and it's fantastic. This is Coconut Cotton, and it is so good. It is so good. The next one is one of my bedroom scents. It was from the Valentine's Day collection last year. Was it last year or the year before? It's Love, and it is so good. So good. Oh, it's so sweet and good. To me, it smells like candy. It's so good. That's one of my bedroom scents. All right, the next one, I have 4. I've been warming this in my kitchen every day. This and Coffee Tree and, what's the other one? Coffee Tree and Perk Me Up. I've been doing all coffee scents. That's the jam I'm going with right now in the kitchen. And it's Hazelnut Latte. Hazelnut Latte is so ding-dang good. I got 4 of those. Oh, God, it's so good. Ooh, it's so good. So I got that, and then I got a toasted marshmallow, which I've been warming the heck out of in my living room, but pretty soon, I think April 1st, we're going to switch. Although toasted coconut, no, I keep saying toasted coconut. What's wrong with me? Maybe I need some toasted coconut. Toasted marshmallow will still stay in the living room, but I'm going to be mixing it with some other like fruitier scents. One of them, which is Cherry Almond Pie, I love in the living room. So I'll be warming that as well. Oh gosh, that's so good. Oh, that's so good. Love it. The next one, the next 3 scents are all bedroom scents for me. This one I got 2, and it's Pear Blossom and Cucumber. It's so pretty. It is so pretty warm, too. Oh, my gosh. I just love this scent. This is a bedroom scent for me. The next one is another bedroom scent, and it's Green Tea Smoothie. I love it, you guys. It's so pretty. I wish we had smell-o-vision, you guys. And then the last one is also a bedroom scent, and it's Flirtatious, and it's so pretty. Can you guys hear my dog? Can you guys hear him licking his paws? It is the grossest. I don't know. There's a tie. There's 2 gross sounds on the world, in the whole world, okay? Paw licking by dogs and cats puking. What in the heck? It is so nasty, and he just won't stop. And I have my probiotics and everything. I don't know what he's doing that for. I don't know. They say to smell their feet and see if it smells like corn chips. I did it. I didn't smell corn chips, so I don't know why he's doing that. Anyway, I digress. All right, I also got a bag of cotton cleanups. I get them every month because I go through them like cray-cray. I know I'm giving you guys way too much information. Anyways, the next thing that I got, when you have a Scentsy club and your club reaches $60, you get a half price item. So I always pick my filter, which is $35 normally, and I get it for half price. So that's a great deal. So let's talk Scentsy Club. All right, so if you have never heard of Scentsy Club, it's a monthly subscription, bi-monthly, or quarterly. You choose what you want, where you can put whatever consumable products you want. So whether it's room spray, body wash, laundry, clean, bars, bulbs, cotton cleanups, this kind of stuff, okay? Stuff that you run out of. You could put it in your club, and like I said, you can have it come monthly or bi-monthly or every 3 months. That dog, he's a Frenchie. He just makes all kinds of gross sounds. Anyway, but he's so cute, so I'll keep him. What was I going to say? I got to find my thought. I know it's in the air somewhere. Where was my thought? Okay, so Scentsy Club. All right. You also, once your order hits $30, you get 10% off. Like I said, once it hits $60, you get a half price item plus 10% off. So that's fantastic, right? So it's already sale. Then you also get your own little code that you can send to people. And when they use your code, you get extra perks, okay? For every $1 they spend, you get 2 points towards products that you can use, okay? For every $1 you spend, you get 1. So 1 for 1 when it's yours, but when you send it to someone, for every $1 they spend, you get 2 points. You can use your points to purchase Scentsy on my website and in your club. So that's fantastic. So it's a great deal. But I have 3 clubs. I have a monthly, a bi-monthly, and a quarterly, and this is my monthly. Next month, I think all 3 run. So next month, I'm going to have a lot of Scentsy coming, which is great for me because I love it. Anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry about all the paw licking information that you didn't ask for. Wasn't in the description of the video. I'm sorry. Anyways, you guys, have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.